Hey guys, Vince here again with another install sponsored by Extreme Online Store. So thank you again for sending this part over to me. So today we are going to be installing this carbon fiber overlay for your HVAC controls, as you can see here. So pretty nice piece, high quality carbon fiber. So as with other pieces that have been sent over to me from Extreme Online Store, I went ahead and polished this or paint corrected it, quote unquote, and added a layer of Adams graphene ceramic coating to this to protect it and just make it extra glossy. So this part is just installed with double-sided 3M tape, as you can see here with the red. Haven't taken the red off just yet, but I would suggest adding additional double-sided tape if you can. So this install should be pretty easy. So let's go ahead and put this on the car. All right, so let's go ahead and get this bad boy installed. I'll go ahead and wipe it down one last time. Make sure that it's clean, free of dust. So I went ahead and removed the backing of this. And what we'll go ahead and do is just like the others, we'll go ahead and install it from the top. Make sure that the corners fit. Okay, so that was actually stuck. So make sure that you guys are careful with the glove box spot. So what we could do is actually make it a little bit easier and just open it up so it's not hitting anything. And then there you have it. So it's on there pretty snug. Then we'll give it a good wipe down, get this closed up. So no issues with opening and closing the glove box. But there you guys have it. So super nice, fits perfectly with the OEM carbon piece in your center console and the rest of the center console pieces that Extreme Online Store offers. So if you guys like this install, make sure you guys like and subscribe. Let me know what you guys think of this piece, but so far with me looking at it, I'm loving it. So check out Extreme Online Store if you guys like this piece, and check out the other offerings that they have on their website. And I'll see you guys on the next video.